In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google form private, a skill particularly useful for those using Google accounts associated with a personal domain or an organization. Let's start by accessing your Google form. Open your favorite browser, head over to Google Forms and sign into your account. You'll enter your email address, click next, and then type in your password. Once credentials are entered, hit the sign in button to access your dashboard. This is where all your created forms are housed. And from here we can dive into the privacy settings. So find the Google form you wish to make private. Clicking on your specific form will bring you to the form editor, a place where magic happens, from crafting questions to fine-tuning the form's appearance. Once you're in the form editor, look for the settings button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on it. This is where you'll find a variety of settings that allow you to control how your form operates and who gets to interact with it. Now click on the Responses tab within the settings. This area focuses on how your form collects and manages responses, which is crucial for controlling access to your form. Finally, and most importantly, you'll want to enable the setting that restricts form access to users within your organization or trusted organizations. Look for the option that says something along the lines of restrict to users in your organization and its trusted organizations. Once you find it, click to enable this setting. This action ensures that only people within your domain or specified trusted domains can view and fill out your Google form, adding a layer of privacy and security to your data collection process. After making this adjustment, ensure to save your changes, and just like that, you have successfully made your Google form private. This setting is particularly handy for internal surveys, confidential feedback forms, or any situation where you need to limit access to a select group of people. Remember, the internet is a vast place, and controlling access to the information you collect is vital. Making your Google form private is just one step you can take to ensure your data not only reaches the right people, but stays out of the hands of those it isn't intended for. That wraps up our guide on making a Google form private. This method works seamlessly for Google accounts with a personal domain, or those being used by an organization, ensuring your information collection is secure and reaches only the intended audience. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to practice this to safeguard your Google Forms effectively.